I learned that I don't think I could trust you, Ellie. I'm so sorry.
Well, I mean, you betrayed me a few times, so.
You know what? You're right. You see, kids, trust is all about equal mistrust, and then bounces itself out.
And it bounces.
Enjoy the ride.
I broke Ricky. Yeah, like I was listening to the song and it says, "Hold me closer, Tiny Dancer," but I heard, "Hold me closer, Tiny Danza."
Hold me closer,
Tiny Danza is what I heard.
So, a lot of people think that Tony Danza is the boss, but really,
It's Jesus.
it's Jesus. Always Tony Danza. So the
Not turned out the way I thought it would.
yeah. The fart. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was trying.
Has he got this? Oh, he's got it. Oh no, he
Yeah.
does not. Oh
Oh, we're going back up.
no. Want to learn how to disagree with someone?
Nope. Sorry, is it my turn? Oh, I'm so sorry.
You've got most of
Sorry, I'm so sorry. Thanks, it was a blast. Thanks for having me. Yeah. Until next time, enjoy the ride.
Later.
I was like, yep.
I've got some truth. You've got some truth. Oh, dang it. My hip. I've hurt myself. Medic.
On this episode of the Loop Show Likes You.
Cat toys, empathy. We're off to a great start.
Yeah.
And the Loop Show Likes You.
And so do I.
The Loop Show Likes You.
And so do I.
What you need to do is you need to find just any lawn. It doesn't have to be your own.
Okay.
Okay, so here's what you do. You wash your hands for 20 seconds, and then you dry them, and then you write us a letter.
That's beautiful. That's how I write letters.
So have you ever wondered, what words am I saying right now? I know I have. We've all been there. Now, have you ever felt verb? This, rotten, thank you. Is this solvable? Let me ask that. Oh boy. Then there's not like a secret map that you found, right? There was no secret map on the wall. It's just like, oh, if you walk right in, look to your right. It's just like, oh, it's all here. So no? Okay, great. Just checking. Just checking. Okay. So it's not the same puzzle.
No, these are very different pieces. Oh, it's gonna take him about 4 more minutes.
Give me about 4 more minutes. Give me a second.
So, Christine, I didn't actually record.
Oh, okay.
So we just need to do it again.
No, he's kidding. He's kidding. Ah, you're the worst.
Ravioli ice cream burps.
Ew! No!
Oh, that's gross. Riley, you like to dance?
You know it.
Well, today we're putting on our dancing shoes and learning something new.
Hang on for the loop.
Oh, these are my walking shoes. I gotta go change.
I could have probably run a good mile in the time that you took to do your puzzle.
Yeah, that was
So-
about right.
I don't know what that says about your puzzle skills, but
I think it means that you're running too fast. Slow and steady.
just to eat the worms.
Yeah, it's the early bird that gets the worms. I shouldn't be getting this. It should be her. But here we are.